love our Roomba, but I want to tell you that there are some growing pains at the start. In the beginning, it won't know where it's going. It will bonk into everything multiple times as it starts to create a map. But once it has the map, it will go straight to the room it's supposed to go in, and it will continue to improve its mapping until it is always exacting in where it goes. So be ready for that. It took about an hour for it to create its first map of our main floor. It has no problem going up and down steep thresholds, and I was really impressed with that. And I love how easily it just goes straight to its charging station when it's finished. It also has a great spot cleaning function. You just hit the spot button on top and it will go in concentric circles around whatever spot you started on until it's completely clean. And emptying it is so simple. You just pop out the cartridge, dump it over your trash. I've already caught a few kid Legos this way. It's much easier to see what it has sucked up thanks to this easy access cartridge. Now let's go over some quick care tips. This is actually the mop cartridge. I just finished mopping. You always want to pour it out when you're finished and make sure that anything you vacuumed up has been thrown away as well, especially since I was in the kitchen and the food may have been perishable. Then you take off the microfiber mop bottom. You can throw this in the wash or simply hand wash it with some soap and let it dry. I'm popping back in the regular vacuum cartridge now so I can use it later and not have to think about it. As long as it's vacuuming every day, it doesn't actually pick up that much and I can use one cartridge for a while. And as you can see, it collects a lot of dust and debris and cat hair. We have two long-haired cats. But Roomba has made it super easy to clean. You can actually pull out the spinny wheel. You can pull out all the bottom pieces actually, and then clean them individually. I'll show you how to pull out the mop pieces too. These pieces just come right out. They do collect some hair in there, and if you need to, you can replace the big wheels and all these components if you need to. And then just pop it back in, snap it back into place, and you're good to go. I really love this Roomba, and I definitely recommend it.